Hi, this is a video about how to use eDiary. eDiary is to be used by article assistants, audit managers and partners. We are going to cover what is eDiary, getting user ID and password, what is a URL, what is a recommended browser, how to add an entry in eDiary, which is the main part, and troubleshooting. eDiary is a website. It's a web-based application. It is used to capture man days, man hours spent on an assignment and task. It is a tool for managing the approval process, to generate articleship training certificate, conveys salary payment reports every month. The user ID and password can be obtained from HR manager Anandita Kharu, or in her absence from Sunita Kashilkar, or can be created by any partner. Their contact details are given here. The URL is pgb.e-diary.in and the recommended web browser is Mozilla Firefox. It works best in Mozilla Firefox. Go to the URL and type in your user ID and password and log in. Go to My Diaries. Select the financial year you want to fill into and select the week in which you want to make an entry. The new entry. The week which you are entering into is given above. Select the approver's name. All the audit managers and partners names are given here. Select the date you want to enter. The day will be displayed over here. Select the client you want to enter or where you have worked on that day. Don't select PGB unless you have done PGB office work. Even if you have worked on some client sitting in office, select that client only. Select the location if it is applicable. For each client there are different locations or work is done at different branches, and those locations have been defined here. Select the assignment, that is internal audit, statutory audit and so on. Select the task you have worked on. More details about this can be given by the audit managers or partners. Then enter the time. This is a 24-hour format entry. Click outside. The number of hours are automatically calculated. Similarly, the extra or short hours are automatically calculated. For the debit hours and credit hours policies, you have to contact HR manager for its rules. Select the relevant radio button from where you have traveled, from office to client, home to client, or if it is not applicable in case you have worked from office. The kilometers are already defined in the client master, and also the rate is defined, and thus the amount is automatically calculated. Put in the details of the actual work performed and click save. It will take approximately 20 to 30 seconds to save. You can view the entry in this screen. If required, you can edit the entry, or you can copy next day and edit it, or you can delete and re-enter. For troubleshooting, call the HR manager Anandita on phone and explain her the query. Otherwise, send her an email with screenshot of the issue. If the issue cannot be resolved by the HR manager, then email to admin.e-diary@shujansystems.com. Always keep Anandita in CC while sending email to admin. Use respectful language and be patient in receiving the reply. Thank you. Your suggestions are welcome.